If you want a super simple recipe that conditions and nourishes your hair, this is the recipe for you. Using just a handful of garden herbs, you can have a beautiful glowing garden herbal hair rinse that you can use in place of a traditional conditioner. Before we get into the actual recipe, I just want to take a minute to talk about why you might want to make this recipe. Traditional conditioner is actually quite complicated to make and it uses quite a few ingredients. I'm still working on formulating a conditioner recipe, but for now, these garden rinses are so nourishing and hydrating and clarifying for your hair and your scalp. These are to be used in place of your conditioner, so you would shampoo as you normally would. I like to use my tallow bar that works for everything. If you haven't seen it, click here. And then follow up with this rinse, which includes apple cider vinegar, which creates the perfect pH for your hair. To make this, all you need are a couple ingredients from your garden. We're gonna start with rosemary. You only need 1 tablespoon if it is fresh herbs and 1 teaspoon if you have dried. Either way works and you can use a combination of both. The rosemary is going to help increase circulation to your scalp and help you grow long, luxurious locks. Next, we need mint. Any kind will do. Today I have regular peppermint, but you could use spearmint, apple mint, whatever you've got growing. 1 tablespoon of fresh. This is going to cool down your scalp and calm any dandruff or dry skin. This also works to clarify any buildup that you have. Next, we're gonna add in some fresh thyme. Thyme is great for your scalp health and it's a natural antibacterial. Finally, we're gonna finish with 1 teaspoon of lavender because I only have dried. Unfortunately, my lavender plant did not work this year, but that's okay. And lavender provides a very beautiful floral scent as well as calming you down, which is what we could all use more of. Now that you've got all your herbs in your jar, you're just gonna cover this up with some boiling water. Now you're going to cover the herbs in some boiling water. You need 2 cups, which is just the perfect amount for this mason jar. Make sure you're using a heat-proof container so you don't end up shattering it. And we're gonna let this steep for 30 to 60 minutes. This has been steeping for about an hour. It's nice and cool here, and it's a beautiful color. So we're just gonna take it and we're going to strain it into another mason jar. Now that you've got your hair rinse all strained, it smells amazing. You can add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. This will help reset the pH of your hair and keep it soft and shiny. I don't know if you've ever heard about the no poo method where people are ditching their shampoo and they are using apple cider vinegar as a rinse. I loved that idea, but it smelled awful. And I felt like it made my hair smell really gross. So this is a perfect alternative where you still get the best of both worlds. So just a small teaspoon there and your hair rinse is ready to go. There are a couple of ways that you can use this. You can shampoo as per usual and then pour this over in the shower. It is a leave-in, so you don't have to rinse it out. You can also put this in a spray bottle, keep it in the fridge, and spray it in your hair whenever you think about it. It leaves a really beautiful shine. You can use it as a detangler as well. If you're into recipes like this, you are gonna love my tallow ebook. It is out now, which I'm so excited about. One of the upgrades is 4 herbal hair rinse recipes, just like this one, that are super simple, 1 for each season. If that's something you might be interested in, click the link in the description box below. I know this was a bit of a shorter video, but thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you more than you know. Take care.